All right. Man, what's going on, Glass? Now, what a week, what a difference a week. And I cannot talk today. Yes, it's crazy. Crazy stuff what's going on lately. I've been watching so many videos of like all these missiles just hitting places and stuff. Like, it's just wild. But it's gonna be interesting to see what happens in the next 15 or so minutes. I mean, I think everyone at this point assumes gold and silver will probably just skyrocket upwards, but let's go ahead and make a poll anyway, just for the fun of it. Alright, let's put the poll up. It's pretty much the same poll at the start of every single stream. Let's see where people think metals are gonna go. Do we see it going higher or lower? I mean, it's almost gonna be pretty much gonna be a unanimous choice at this point, I feel like. Chris, what's going on? Main Max, hello. How are we all doing today? Welcome in, welcome in. We're just kind of getting started here. A couple of minutes before pre-markets start. This is probably going to be one of the more exciting live streams, I guess you could say, with just everything that's happening. I mean, there's just so much, like... You know, it's not like... It's, you know, I would say the difference between the previous ones just kind of seemed like... You know, it was just like a... I don't want to say like a theatric type of thing. But this one definitely seems more like the real deal than the previous one. I don't know if that makes sense. Really hoping to outlive the threat of global thermonuclear destruction. I like it. I think if other countries come to defense of Iran, then maybe it's definitely gonna be. Well, I mean, not maybe. It would absolutely be worse than it is right now. But I mean, we just don't know. We'll have to wait and see. But this is definitely. This doesn't feel like the other ones where, you know, they were just kind of. I don't know. Maybe it's just because of hindsight. I don't really know. I just want to see what the precious metals are going to do here in the next 10 minutes. That's what I want to see. See, we got 8. Hold on. We gotta look at this thing right here. So we got 96 people in the chat, 9 likes as of right now. 10-to-1 ratio there. Kind of letting everyone trickle in here before we get to see the start. Like I want to see a really drastic spike. Actually, I should say, which one do you think is going to go higher, though? Do you think it's going to... Well, I guess if they both go, silver's probably going to move higher than gold will. Most of you guys think it's gonna go higher as of right now. Small percentage that thinks it's gonna go sideways, and a slightly larger than smaller percentage of people think it's gonna go lower. In some ways, though, I could actually see precious metals dropping. Just, I don't know why. I just have a feeling that they just would. Like, just initially. But who the heck knows? Like, it's just one of those weird things where it's like, it doesn't make sense. And you're just like, why is this going down? I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what happens. We can only speculate, right? See what happens minutes from now. Has anybody picked up any gold or silver this past week? What have you guys picked up? I did pick up something. I actually got a, it hasn't came in yet, but I got a 10th ounce gold coin. And I actually found tubes for my half ounce and my 10th ouncers, which is nice. And I ordered a capsule for my pre-33, so we're gonna be all set here. And it's gonna be a fun little, it was a fun little purchase this time around. So curious if anybody else got any stuff. He picked up 2 silver maples yesterday. Hamid says he picked up 170 ounces of silver. I'm still buying gold, even, I mean, you guys know this, my GSR rule. So, currently at 56, which just tells me gold is just the stronger buy right now. That's how I do it. Next month will probably be another 10th ounce, just depending on how. Stardust is diversifying with golden chains, okay. Vacation Time says picked up 2 2026 American Silver Eagles, 1 for me and 1 for my aunt who does our taxes. Very nice. Silver, love it. Sorry, I'm I'm exhausted today, guys. It's been a very busy, very stressful week, so I'm not all attentive there. I literally just got home and I'm not even had any time to decompress. So I literally went home straight to the live stream. Like there's no break. So I'm still running off of waking up at like 4:30 in the morning. So forgive me. Being up to get another 10th ounce. I have 3 more to go to fill up my Summit Metals wallet. Very nice. Global Pace picked up $10 face value for 500. Yeah, we're stacking the 10thers right now just because of the way the prices are for me, at least where I can afford to, you know, put away each month. So, but I'm glad I was able to get tubes for these, which is nice because Lord knows I've been needing them. "84% of you guys so far think the metals are going to go higher today." Now, remember the poll, the only way you win in this poll is it's in the first minute. In the first minute of opening, you'll find out whether or not it goes higher or lower. 110, the gold premiums are high, but the quarter odds are less. Yeah, I know, but so far, with the exception of my last purchase, well, the second to last purchase, I guess both purchases, the last two purchases have not made up the premiums yet, but who knows, that could be erased by the end of this week if metals decide to pop off after all this stuff that's happening, because not even like the US and Iran are maybe going to do something, like they're actually doing something at this point. So. That's another good point, Stinging. You're like, you know, the premiums for me, yeah, it sucks, but you know, in the long term, it's just gonna erase itself, so I'm not really worried. Got 148 people watching right now and 22 likes. Got a couple minutes before the start here. Let's see what's gonna happen. Everyone get your votes in. Phone's gonna keep time. I want to check. Alright, so we got less than 1 minute left. Farmers market opens first. George Stewart, hello from Las Vegas. Hello from Las Vegas, man. How you doing? Welcome in. Welcome in. We got less than 30 seconds to go before we see this whole thing pop off. Let's see what's going to happen with gold and silver. Gonna be it. 10 seconds. Alright, here we go. Let's see. Let's see what happened. Gold's immediately opened to a 1% gain already. Holy crap, look at that. Oh my gosh, what a jump. Silver has yet to even, like, react. Oh my gosh. Gold spiked to 5,300 right away. Oh my god, it's just going parabolic. What is this? Look at this jump. Look at this. Silver's not even registering yet. Look at this pop-up where it went up as high as almost 5,400. Oh my gosh, what, like, silver's not even reacting yet. We just gotta keep watching gold, I guess, until we see the numbers start turning on silver. I mean, we could go to Kitco, but... Okay, silver just moved. Hang on, let's see what silver's doing. Silver opened up so high up. Holy... 95? Interesting. I mean, look at that. Wow. Silver's tanking. I mean, this was, I expected this. I kind of expected it. So it's down, but it's not like, it's still higher than where it closed yesterday or on Friday, but it's, I mean, give it some time here. Let's see what it does. We'll flop back every few minutes right now. I mean, I think the first The first like 10-15 minutes are always going to be a little like wonky at first, and then it tends to settle down. But then by morning time we'll start to see what happens, I guess. This could just be like some profit taking, right? There it goes. Okay, the silver's starting to go up a little bit now. Let's see. Let's go switch over to gold. Gold's climbing. Oh my goodness. That first spike though is insane. And it's about to catch up to it too. Oh my gosh. Alright, hold on. Silver's going crazy a little bit again too. So silver's starting to pop off. Gold's still doing like a much more dramatic like vertical movement than silver is. What do you guys think? What are you guys thinking for the end of the week? 6,000 gold? Right now, gold's up about 1.5%, and silver is trying to hit 2% above. Silver did get as high as 90. Okay, so it's almost like 95.80 almost for silver. Typically what I've always seen is like in these live streams, whatever these numbers are on the right, like how they initially start off and where they settle down, that tends to just be the start, and then they continue to go further in that same direction. So I don't know, like it could be another 6% for silver tomorrow or some crazy thing like that. Yeah, so silver's doing this thing right there. Gold's about to break through that. What was the high that we got to? What was the all-time high for gold? It was like 50, was it 5,600? 5,500 or something like that? What, didn't it get as high as, I can't remember how high it got at. Because, okay, so it's already broken through that giant wick that it started the day with. Well, 90% of you guys were right. Gold definitely went higher and lower. Alright, so the poll is going to end. You guys did your part. Congratulations. You influenced the market with the poll. You guys don't have to throw your phone or, you know, do any nefarious things. Tap your screens or whatever we joked about last time. That's just an insane pop-up right here. Like if you had like, so when did I buy my gold? I think I bought my gold. When did I buy it? Hang on, like Friday, right? The 26th? So I bought it right around here. So I bought my gold, my 10th ounce at 51. I mean, it wasn't at 51, but spot was at 5,100. And just over the weekend, we're now at 5,300. That's crazy. Take a look at this. So it's kind of dropping down a little bit here. Silver's kind of going downing now. Okay, look at that. It's not quite passing the wick. There it goes. That gap getting filled. Well, silver's back to where it was. Dang, so it was almost up 2% at one point, and now we're down to about 0.5%. I mean, I suspect nighttime. I expect tomorrow morning to definitely be positive. Yeah, very interesting stuff going on here, I guess. Definitely is a tug of war. Well, they're going back up again, though. I mean, we were down to like a 0.5%. Now we're back climbing back up to the 2% mark. Gold. I mean, they're starting to climb back up a little bit. I'll grab a 1 ounce gold buffalo and flip it. Heads gold up 300, tails gold up 200. Little future. What is the oil future? Is it this one? Like WTI, right? Is that what it is? That's a huge app too. Let's add WTI. Yes, see what that does. Yeah, that's crazy. 7% oil. Dang. Well, gold and silver are pretty much at parity right now in terms of their movements, percentage-wise. Oil will pass silver again. Rascal thing. It seems like this is where this part of the stream where it always tends to just kind of like stabilize itself out a little bit. I feel like this is where we're gonna sit at going into the morning. It's usually after the first like 15, maybe 30 minutes, it tends to like for a while. Until later in the night, for some reason, later at night it'll just start to move. Like I'll just randomly check it like closer to midnight and the next thing I know it's already gone up. China open. I don't have the thing that'll look at. I don't know, look at this, I guess. Shanghai spot right now is 106.86. I just wish in dollars. I wish it would transfer that currency exchange rate onto here. I know there's a way to do it. I just haven't done it. Stars is actually going up a little bit. Sitting at 56 though. Well, actually, oil went up 8%. It's gone up a whole entire percentage point since we added this in. So China opens in less than 2 hours, right? It's just pre-market right now. thing. Or news going on with gold and silver. Don't tell people where you put your gold. Do they actually put another margin requirements? Let's see. This week. So not this week coming up, but the following week we're gonna get some inflation data. Methinks tomorrow at regular market gold will hit 5,600 by tomorrow. Fonzie says Trump just said that all operations will take 4 weeks. Chris thinks that it's going to be over in less than 2 weeks. Rambai says it's also based. Iran is isolated. On. Let us see if this does like another random thing where it's like, you know, they do something for like a week or two and then it's... RJ, what's going on? How you doing? Welcome in. Evening, everybody. Let's Addison with the $2 super chat, the manipulation. Thank you so much, man. I appreciate it. For the super. What's up, Jimbo? How you doing? How many of you are here because Silver Dragons finished his live stream? I didn't even know he was streaming. I did not even see he was streaming. Oil is up over 7%. Yes, oil is now up 7.7%. It did get to about 8%. And I'm assuming this is probably some higher number. I don't even know what that would be percentage-wise, but definitely has gone up. So I'm hoping the G-Star slips back down and goes sub 40 to 1. Right now we're sitting at 56 to 1. If it goes to 40, I will definitely do another trade, but as of right now, I'm going to keep buying gold. I've already participated in the 50 to 1 swap, so we're just going to wait that to do its part. Kind of just continuing where we left off. Hit like, support the channel. Yes, guys, please hit the like button. We got 340 people in the live stream right now and 86 likes so far. And of course, the awesome $2, which I forgot to like, the $2 super chat from Phyllis. Metals are pretty much sitting where they are. I mean, we saw a huge spike. Gold had the craziest spike of all. Like, when you look at what it did over on the Friday going into the close, it just... It went all the way up to here at one point to start. That's just crazy. You two swap that 50 to 1 for 2. 50 Liberty. 10th proof gold. Eagle, very nice. I still got my pre-33. I'm getting a capsule for it, so we can put this in a nice little capsule now. I also finally got tubes for my 10th ouncers and my half ounce, so we're going to finally be able to put things away a little more organized and neatly. What the ping sounds like pre-33. I've never tried that. Dude, this thing rings forever. I don't know if you guys can hear it, though. Thing rings and rings and rings. Hey, I don't think you guys can hear it, but either way, still really cool. NW thinks we're gonna hit triple digit very soon. I mean, it's possible we'll definitely hit it tomorrow. Especially if it goes up like 4% or something like that. $33 gold is the way to go, in my opinion. Yeah, it's funny because originally when I went in to trade my silver for gold, I actually went in the day before and asked him if he had any of the gold eagles. And he said he did. He said he had like 4 of them. 4 or 5 of them. And then I was like, cool, I'll be in tomorrow probably to trade it. And then the next thing I know, they were gone. So, but he did have this pre-33 gold, which is like perfect. It's damn near perfect. So, you know, we picked that up instead and it was very good. So, happy with that pickup for sure. What size capsule did I get for the pre-33? I think the 34 millimeter. that what I got? .34mm. It's got the little black ring thing around it too, so I always think it looks nicer with that. So pattern we are currently looking at is a bull flag in progress. Chris says feel like we were just at $74 silver. I still feel like we were at $30 silver not that long ago. Really like the gold buffaloes, very awesome. Yeah, actually that's very, you know what? I actually did ask if he had buffaloes first before I asked about the eagles, but then he said no to the buffaloes but yes to the eagle, so. Do I have a St. Gaudens double eagle? Yes, I do. I have a 1924 St. Gaudens double eagle. We've shown it on stream a couple times. But it's like in almost perfect condition for being over, 102 years old. See, we got 385 viewers and 115 likes right now. RJ says he's got the Double Eagle MS63 at PCGS. Mine's not graded. It was in a little thing that says choice uncirculated. I think I looked at it myself. I want to say it's definitely an MS quality. I just don't know what grade it would hit though. Because it does have some dings on it. It does got a little like you can still read everything on the edges. It does have a little ding on one of the spots, but like everything is still in detail. Like you can still see every little tiny, like if I hold it up to a modern 2026 one or 25 one, doesn't really matter, the lines are still there. Like they look the exact same. Like it still looks really good. So I just don't know what it's gonna be, but we're gonna keep it in a capsule for the time being. Like, see what they're doing. Oh, gold's about to pop off. I don't know what silver's doing. Silver's slacking. Well, gold leads, silver follows, right? Well, gold's technically, or silver's doing technically better than silver is percentage-wise. At least right now. But this jump that gold did was just crazy right here. This entire jump is insane. War is going to be lurking. I appreciate the lurk, War. Ghost thinks that 10k gold by 2028, at least Canadian dollars. Obviously did hit the like button. I appreciate anybody who hits the like button, you guys. Got a $2.50 Liberty and some half sovereigns I want to get graded. Details are what matters most. Yeah, I mean, the condition of it and all that good stuff matters too. I mean, I don't know if I will submit this for grading or not. Maybe one day. But I don't know. I don't know what it would grade. I mean, it's definitely not like I can see some scratching, like just very faintly. There's like a random smudge on the left side of the coin. I don't know what that is, but it's, I mean, if you've seen it on the videos, I've displayed it before. Like, it's pretty much perfect. Like, you can pretty much just, I don't know how to describe it. If you've seen videos on it, you know what I'm talking about. We're starting to push upwards here a little bit. Silver is kind of doing the same. Silver's, I don't know what silver's doing. Good cuddle marks. I just took it out of the slip thing that, like, if you guys have seen, you know, like I said, if you guys watch the videos, it was in the slip for the longest time, but the more I've been messing with it and the more, like, I put it in videos, I just ended up, like, opening it. So I just took it out. But I should be getting the capsule Wednesday or Thursday. So it's just gonna sit for a few days until we put it in the capsule. What platform are we using for the chart? This is from TradingView. So this is their desktop version. It's kind of funny. I get that question like every single live stream. I feel like a lot of people know TradingView. Yeah, you're welcome, Red Rum. I mean, as far as I know, it's free. It's free to use, I think. I have the premium thing. I actually paid for this. The one that I did. Everyone wave buy to gold at 5,300, 5,600 here. We go. Ugh, I take an allergy medicine or something. I'm like dying. It's like 90 degrees out here today. Like all the trees are acting out, so I'm just like dying. Even being inside, I'm just dying. NW says buy 5,300. Hello, Weimar. Take a look at silver. Silver's hitting about 2% again, so silver's starting to pump up a little bit. Let's see if it keeps going. It seems like every time I click on one of the charts, it tends to just it goes like down. But if we ignore it, it starts to climb. Okay, so silver's starting to climb up here again. Look at that. We've already beat... Okay, we're starting to beat that. We're beating that. We're at 90... Almost at $96 silver. It's officially cleared the peak of what it started the pre-market at. Oh, okay. Don't tell people what you got because there are thieves out there stealing copper. I don't tell everybody everything. Even if I did tell you, I'm probably lying to you. Enter to trade. Stop loss at 3,100. Is it safe? I mean, I don't trade gold and silver. I stack it. But he's still an old air conditioner burned out house for copper. Interesting. Gold's doing right now. I mean, I know silver kind of popped off for a second, but gold's not really doing as much as silver is right now. Maybe we'll stay here on silver for a bit. Let's check what the... It starts at 56. Oil is almost back to 8% again. Let's go over here and look at it. That one seems to be kind of just trading a little sideways for now. Platinum. How can we forget platinum? It's this, right? Platinum had a similar spike up, I guess. We move that up with silver here. Platinum's sitting right here at almost 2,400. Looks a little similar. Okay, silver's starting to do more things again. So let's keep paying attention to silver because silver's the one that's doing stuff right now. We'll flop back and forth between the other metals here in a bit, but I just really want to see what silver's doing because it's starting to ramp up. We've definitely crossed $96 silver by now. What are the dealers trading this online for? That's what I want to see. See, SD Bullion is selling silver at 96.76 right now. Interesting. Not that much farther. Gold, they're selling gold at 53.89 for their spot. Let's see what else. 1 minute chart? Yes, it is the 1 minute chart. I have the price of tungsten. No, I do not. Got 415 people watching the stream. 158 likes as of. Definitely gotten more people in here. Great. All get to see what's happening with gold and silver and oil and platinum. Everybody. Let's kind of stay and put a little bit. Platinum. Kind of messy. PSR's at 55, pretty much at 56 almost. Oil has come back down just a little bit. US dollar 97.90. Rick says he sees 9 likes. I mean, I have the back end, I guess, stream thing for the live stream, so I can see probably more live data than you guys can. I think if you refresh the page, you'd probably see it, but right now I have 178 likes and 410 viewers watching. I have a counter tracker up at the top right, but I think it's slightly delayed. You can kind of see up in the top right up there how many people got watching the stream. Okay, so that looks more accurate now, 409. That's what it's showing on my back. But yeah, it's probably just because of my perspective on it. I can see different things than you guys probably can. So, no big deal though. Shanghai spot price is 108.5 right now. The Shanghai gold to silver ratio is at 48.6 to 1. Wonder if we can add this in. Because I don't really want to. I'm also just looking up things on the side to see if there's any updates or any news or anything that I can probably give you guys as well. Gold's starting to push up again. Let's take a look at gold here. Anthony says most to all metals are overbought with that one more war that big correction is due. That this war is the main reason for correction. Now than many miners is profit price. Go back to silver's coming back down a little bit. Silver's dropping again now. It's kind of holding steady still. Platinum is going a little sideways now. It seems like we're gonna stay around here for most of the night, I feel like. Then probably late into the night, probably we'll shoot up. It's just my guess. It's typically what I see happen. It does stay upwards above the closing Friday. Likes to dance slightly above it, and then by the next day, it just takes off. It says oil's up by almost 9%. Mine is still showing 7.7. So it hasn't really done much else. I don't see anything new happening. I don't know. Well, honestly, guys, I'm probably gonna end the live stream a little early. I'm so tired. I got some other things to do, so let's see. Kind of ending it a little early. Apologize. And who can we go to? Who can we go to? I feel like we go to Sal every single. The Tiger Stacker? We haven't gone to him before. He's live right now. Tiger, I guess. Do something a little different for once. We've always been going to, what's his name? Sal for the long. I think he's interviewing. Let's check out what he's talking to right now. Yeah, let's just go in there. Why not? Alright, guys. Let's go over to Tiger Stacker and raid him over here. Stick around if you guys can. I will see you guys in the next live stream. Have a great rest of your night. Thank you guys. See you all live stream.